With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So hello everyone. In this question they said a computer mechanic in Delhi charges repairing costs from 5 different persons A, B, C, D and E with certain discount. The repairing cost and the corresponding discount are given below. So this is the data that we use to calculate. If the rate of GST is 18%, then find the total money including GST received by the mechanic. So we have to find the total money that the mechanic received. So for this, the GST is given 18%. So GST is sum of two GST. So we write GST equal to C GST plus S GST. Now this CGST is central GST and SGST is state GST. So this 18% is divided equally on both for both the cases. So it is 9% plus 9%. Now if we solve our question, so first let me write the So there in this table you can see that I already wrote the name of the person ABCD repairing cost and the discount they will get. Now if we calculate it discounted amount, so discounted amount can be calculated as for first case it is 30% of 5,500. So we calculate this way. 5,500 into 30%. So this becomes 5,500 into 30 into 100, which will give us 1,650. So discounted amount for this is 1,650, and for this will be 2,500. And for this will be 1440, and for this is also 1440. Same for this will be 1400. Now if we solve for selling price, this will be subtract this amount from this amount, so we get for first case 3,850. Similarly, for other cases, we got 3,750, and for this we get 3,360, and for this will be 5,760, and for this will be 2,100. So now CGST is the 9% of this amount. So this will be equal to be 346.5. Same for this 346.5 because they both have 9% share. Now for this will be 337.5. Same for this 337.5. Now for this it will be 302.4. Same for this 302.4. Now for this it will be 518.4. Same for this 518.4. And now for this it will be 189. Same for this 189. And now for the total money we have to add this three quantity: selling price plus CGST plus HGST. So we first calculate its total. So for total we can see there we write if total of this amount will be 18,820. Now for this it will be 1,693.8. Same for this 1,693.8. Now our total money will be, let us calculate it. Total money will be addition of selling price plus CGST plus SGST. Now if we calculate, then we found 18,820 plus 1,693.8, and this is 1,693.8. So now after addition of this quantity, we get our total money in rupees as 22,207.6. So this is our final answer. So this is it.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.